Limono nchetimbu atiande kentekana ninchande gete.
Abangina korwa sebyombe ao imiye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo banyoriro bokonyi wechitangi chiama cyo bokonyi warwewa ne kyombe kya maendeleo ya wanawake yekobwaterana ne benki ya Equity okwana chinga kye chabatana ni korwa sebyombe byo nigo bagania bangina kwene kyabuna nkweso ke barasobonge na gosa sebyombe ao eriyo konyora obokonyi bwo kwegenderera bya asama tukaribo simurike ito korwa se kaunti ya Nyamira job manki na manki.
Buna enchira muyugusira abangina ekyombe ky'abangina kya maendeleo ya wanawake bakobwaterana ne banki ya Equity Bank mbaena na chitangi asabangina aubare asebyombe ase orosagia rwa Nyamira. Goikira bono nigo bainanire chitangi chimisato na 15 achi kaunti emerongo 23 bunatwa batokwererwa na Elizabeth Mayeka omoriki omonene bw'ekyombe kyo imense ya Kenya.
We've been able to have, this is the 23rd county that is receiving tanks. We have been able to deliver 315 tanks.
Boigo enega chinchira bagotumeka ase okorwania ogonchereria kwelire.
Like you see now how dry it is, they can be able to do some irrigation, and also depending on the size of the tank.
Stanley Baraza oyoromo bisakurwa sekyombe kya Equity Bank nateba nigo bagosira abangina elinde banyare gwetenenera.
About entrepreneurship, we teach them about budgeting, about investment. It goes a long way in helping them to invest in ways of making income to their families, and by so doing, for sure, when we give these mamas these tanks, we are supporting them to get clean energy for the family. And actually we find that when you support one mama, you are actually supporting the entire family and the entire community at large.
Elinde konyora chitangi ekyo omongina niga bwenderete gosoa asekyombe asebako gacha ensemo etibesa ekero baikirie ekerengo kebwenerete bamanya koegwa amakabesa.
Wamama wamepata matanks ni Nyamira kwa bei isiyo kubwa sana. Wakati wanalipa hata awasikii. They don't feel it. Ni vile wanatoa kidogo kidogo, lakini wale ambao wamejitoa wamepata tanks na leo wengine watapata.
Egati abali baegwa chitangi ekyo mbaorokia omochengo omonene asebate banchichiko bakonya anene mono asokogendereria amagimabo.
Wamama wakiwa peke yao nimegundua kuwa uwezi fanya chochote. Ilipoingia wakaniambia kuna tangi ambazo wanapeana na mimi nikaregister, nikaingia kwa kikundi. Kwa muda mfupi tu nimefika wakati ambao ninapata hii tangi, kwa sababu hiyo niko na furaha kubwa.
Omokonyi mo county commissioner ime county Nyamira Florence Obunga narwa esege tugo cha sabangina gosoa sebyombe elinde bachikonyora ogosiro ne serikali nebyombe binde
to ensure that they join groups so that they can also get tanks. Water is very important, and they say water is life. Without water there is no life. So I want to encourage all women to be in groups so that they can also access this very important facility. That
Kurwa se county Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Ma